Now first, we're going to locate our pressure test port, which on this GM engine is located in the fuel crossover, and we're going to take the cap off. Now we're going to grab some gloves, a shop towel, a test gauge, and a gas can. Now we can install our fuel pressure gauge. Don't forget your shop towel. Now don't forget to have something catch it fuel that may drain out. Now we can turn our switch on and check for leaks. Sure that we have no fuel leaking. Now then we can bleed our system. We want to take all the air out of this. This will take a couple of cycles to bleed your air out. What we're looking for is a steady stream of gas coming out of our bleed hose. Now we're going to observe our fuel pressure while the pump's running. Is it between 55 and 62 psi? And it is. Now we're going to want to take this pressure after the pump is turned off. Looks like it's around 52, 53 pounds. Now, does our fuel pressure drop more than 5 pounds after setting for 10 minutes? No, it don't. So we're good there. Now with this test, we need to drop it down to around 10 pounds. And we'll let her set for another 10 minutes. Does the pressure drop more than 2 pounds? No, it doesn't. We're good on this test. All right. Thank you for watching.